Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, this is another new seed order that I got in the mail, and I do have more orders coming. I got some new varieties to try out, and then I went with some regular varieties that I always grow, but I was running low on seeds. So, I wanted to get some different types of ornamental grass this year for some different textures and my bouquets. So I'm going to be trying out a feather top ornamental grass, and I'm also going to be trying out a Highlander ornamental grass, a Persian crest ornamental grass, and a green drops ornamental grass. Now this one here, we're probably going to be giving these their own spaces to grow in. So in case they would reseed themselves, we wouldn't have an issue with them taking over the garden or something like that, or like the flower beds. So these are probably going to have their own spots to grow. And these are supposed to be really pretty when they're for like your bouquets and stuff. So I decided to go ahead and give those a try. And these are supposed to be really good in bouquets, and I like different textures. So I went with a few different types of ornamental grasses there. Now I do grow the bunny tails. I do have videos on my channel for how to grow bunny tails. The apricot peach straw flowers, I love those. They're beautiful colored. I grow those quite a bit. And then the silvery rose, I grow those quite a bit for the straw flowers. So I was out of seeds for these, so I went ahead and got some more. I'm going to be trying out a Forever Silver Status. And I'm going to be trying out a QIS Yellow Status. Never tried that one before, so that's going to be new for me. I always usually get the Seeker mixes, but wanted to go ahead and give the QIS Yellow one a try. I went with a Coral Fountain. I grow the Love Lies Bleeding one, and that one's really pretty. So I decided to try the Coral Fountain. And then I went with a Red Spike variety, and this is supposed to have like really pretty red spikes on it, and it grows really different, so I wanted to go ahead and give that a try, see what that looks like. I went with the Nigelia Albino Green Pod. I love the Love in a Mist Nigelia, and it gets real pretty purple and green pods on it, but I wanted an all green variety. So I went ahead with this one here. Now the Love in a Mist one, if you grow that in a controlled growing environment, it will actually be green. But if you grow them outside, then they start getting the purple in them. So I went with a green gold type flower here. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Sorry, I have no idea how to pronounce that one. But we're going to be giving this one here a try. I'm going to have to look up the pronunciation for those, for this one here. And then I have my QIS Pink Gumfrinas, which I've grown those before. I love that variety. And then I have the Sunday Series Cherry and the Sunday Series Pink Celosia. So I got more of those seeds there. I went with the smaller packs first, and then realized I didn't have enough to do what I wanted to really give it a test. So I went ahead and bought some more of those. So the new varieties here that I'm going to be growing, I am going to be doing videos on them, and like I said, I'm going to be looking up some of these pronunciations to find out how to actually pronounce them. So I do have more seeds that I have ordered, and I have more ones that I did get in the mail, so I'll be showing you those. And when my new ones come, I'll be showing you those as well. I am expanding out. I want to try a lot of new different varieties of flowers and ornamental grasses for my bouquets. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!